Hi everyone! Today I'm exploring Kul Khersan in Desful, Iran, a hidden gem where nature and history come together. This valley, surrounded by dramatic cliffs and waterfalls, takes you through both time and nature, offering an unforgettable adventure. Despite its beauty, Kul Khersan remains a secret to many travelers, making it the perfect off-the-beaten-path destination. If you are looking for something unique, don't miss Kul Khersan. It's a hidden treasure in Iran, waiting to be discovered. Make sure to hit subscribe for more amazing adventures. See you in the next one.